share gifts with 579,579 users. What can this bot do? Welcome to Share Gifts. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. Today, another Telegram bot that I will share with you. But this kind of bot, you have to send a gifts for free. Then you have a chance to get ton rewards. You can surprise your friends with unique digital gifts. Click the start to claim your tone. No? So enter a word where you have the chance to earn USDT every day. Open your daily free gift box, each containing a certain amount of USDT. Then join your gifts now and get ready to withdraw your rewards. So claim gifts, join chat or join the channel. So I have already invited one player. So I receive one gift, no? So if we click the join chat, so we have 121,000.2 subscribers, no? So when you send gifts for free, you have a chance to get $10,000 to rewards, no? Then you can also join the channel, no? Share gift groups with 108,367 members, no? So to users, open gift to $267. Okay, so let us try. So click the claim gifts. So you have 18.4 USDT. So open the gift. So you have 0.8. Continue. So you have $19.2. So you have in wallet. So if I will click withdraw, the minimum amount is $20. Okay, so I will wait with that amount, no? So to earn, you have to connect wallet, $2, join our group, $0.5, join our channel, 0.5, join Telegram app park, $1, then win free prizes, 1.5, flip of coin, $1, then go Olympics, 1.5, no? So I will put the link in my description so that you can also try this, no? You can earn 10% bonus from your player game rewards, no? So you can share using the link, the X or the Twitter and the Facebook. Okay, so I hope you learn something with this sharing of gifts, no? This is not tapping but only sharing of gifts. Okay, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and of course subscribe to my small channel, Crypto Joel. Thank you and have a nice day to all.